What's your favorite type of cuisine?
Thai food has the perfect balance of flavors for me.
What's your favorite animal?
I've always been fascinated by dolphins.
What's the most memorable concert you've attended?
Seeing Coldplay live was an unforgettable experience.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
Chocolate lava cake is my weakness.
What's your favorite childhood TV show?
I loved watching SpongeBob SquarePants.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use the meditation app Headspace daily.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Listening to calming music and taking a hot bath.
What's your favorite childhood game?
Hide and seek was always a blast.
What's your favorite piece of technology?
My laptop is an essential tool for work and creativity.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy sunny days with a gentle breeze.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas has a special charm with all the decorations and festivities.
What's your favorite workout routine?
High-intensity interval training keeps me motivated.
What's your favorite historical period?
The Renaissance era has always intrigued me.
What's your favorite way to give back to the community?
Volunteering at a local animal shelter brings me joy.
What's your favorite board game?
Monopoly is a classic favorite of mine.